Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, all these days I was discussing mathematics, that is the first chapter in mathematics. Today I am starting with chemistry lesson 1. Okay, before going to the lesson 1, what is chemistry guys? Does anyone know what is chemistry? It is a branch of science which deals with properties, composition, structure of elements and compounds and the changes that they go through during the chemical reactions. So, chemistry, it is a branch of science which deals with properties, composition, structure of the elements and compounds and the changes that they go through during the chemical reactions. Okay, this is chemistry. Before going into the chapter guys, let us see few pictures. You have seen these pictures now guys. Are you aware of what are these made up of? I mean, what are the materials these are made up of? Yes, guys, these materials are made up of fibers. Understood? These materials are made up of fibers. What are fibers? These, it is defined as thread-like structures that are thin, long and flexible. Flexible means you know what is thin, you know what is long, and flexible means capable of bending easily without breaking. Understood? So, a material which is capable of bending easily without breaking. Example, rope, thread, etc. These are called as fibers. I repeat again, it is defined as thread-like structures that are thin, long, flexible. There are two types of fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. I repeat again, there are two types of fibers, natural fibers, synthetic fibers. So what are natural fibers? Fibers obtained from plants and animals are called natural fibers. That is, we get naturally in the nature. Understood? Synthetic fibers are made in factories using chemicals. It is artificially made. Okay? Synthetic fibers are made in factories using chemicals. So it is artificially made. These are called as synthetic fibers. I repeat again. Natural fibers are those fibers which are obtained from plants and animals occurring naturally. Okay. Examples of natural fibers are wool and silk from animals. Yes. You will wear woolen clothes, silk materials, silk saris. You will all get that from animals. Silk from silkworm, wool from animal. Okay, similarly, examples of plants which we get from plants: flax, jute, cotton, hemp. Flax, nowadays we are getting the flaxseed seeds. The stem of that, it is used for preparing linen cloth. Nowadays you are getting linen shirts, linen saris, like the jute. From the jute, have you seen in the markets, they are showing the jute bags, gunny bags, goni chila. In Kannada we call it as goni chila. Understood? Cotton. From cotton we prepare cotton cloths, cotton chudiyas, cotton bed sheets, everything. Hemp. It is also a type of seed. From that you will prepare linen. Okay. So, naturally occurring fibers are the fibers that are obtained from plants and animals. There is wool and silk from animals, flax, jute, cotton, hemp. These are the examples of natural fibers. Understood? Hemp is, it is also a seed. Understood? From that, not from seed, that the stem of that they use it and prepare it for preparing this linen cloths. Similarly for flax also. Jute, gunny bags. Cotton means, you know, everyone will wear cotton chudiyas, cotton bed sheets, cotton shirts, etc. Examples of synthetic fibers means, these are the fibers which are made in factories, means rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. These are the fabrics which are made in factories by using the chemicals. Okay, rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. So what are the similarities between natural and synthetic fibers? Look, both natural and synthetic fibers are called polymers. So you might ask me, what are polymers then? So polymer is a substance made up of long chain of repeating units of molecules. Each repeating unit is called a monomer. Okay, it is a, I repeat, polymer is a substance made up of long chain of repeating units of molecules. Each repeating unit is called a monomer. Understood? So cotton is made up of polymer called cellulose. Cotton is made up of polymer called, it contains many repeating units of molecules which are called as monomers. Okay, here is the figure. The process by which polymers are made from monomers is called polymerization. Okay, the process by which polymers are made from monomers is called polymerization, as you see in the picture. We have studied about the similarities between synthetic fibers and natural fibers. Now, let us learn the differences between synthetic fibers and natural fibers. So, based on the strength. So, how it behaves. Based on the strength, how the synthetic fiber behaves and natural fiber behaves. Synthetic fiber is very strong and durable. Durable means long lasting. Understood? So, natural fibers not as strong as synthetic fibers. Understood? I repeat, based on the strength of the fibers, synthetic fibers are very strong and durable, means long lasting. Natural fibers not as strong as synthetic fibers. Next, based on absorption of water. Synthetic fibers absorbs very little water and dries easily, whereas natural fibers absorbs lot of water and takes time to dry. Understood? So this I think you can understand. No need to explain. Resistant to stains means whether it causes stains or does not cause stains. Understood? Synthetic fibers is stain resistant, means it does not cause stains. Whereas natural fibers are non-stain resistant, means it causes stains. Understood? Okay. Based on the weight, synthetic fibers are lighter in weight, whereas natural fibers usually heavier in weight. Okay. So lighter in weight, heavier in weight. Resistant to moths, mean which is affected or not affected by moths. It is like that. Synthetic fibers are resistant to moths, means it won't be affected by moths. Okay. Whereas natural fibers are non-resistant to moths, means affected by the moths, that is insects. Understood? I repeat this again, resistant to moths. means it is resistant to moths, synthetic fibers, that is, it won't be affected by moths. Here, natural fibers are non-resistant to moths, means it is affected by the moths. And next, absorption of dyes. The synthetic fibers, it can be dyed easily and color does not fade. But whereas in natural fibers, it takes time to dry and color fades after. Ability to wrinkle. Synthetic fibers, it does not wrinkle. No need to press the clothes at all. You can wear the clothes as it is. I like synthetic fibers only because I am very lazy goose. So I does not like pressing the clothes. Natural fibers. Natural fibers, it forms wrinkles easily. So I won't like natural fibers. The reason is after washing this cotton clothes and all, it forms wrinkles and you can see the folds. You need to press the clothes and wear it. So that's why I don't like natural fibers. I like only synthetic fibers. You can just wash the clothes and you can wear it and you can go wherever you want. Okay. Burning. Burning means it melts and forms bead-like structures on burning synthetic fibers. But whereas natural fibers, it burns naturally and does not form bead-like structures on. With this, I have completed this lesson. Next, we'll start with the practice questions.